So the question we are solving today says that a cyclist moving towards right with an acceleration of 4 meter per second square at time t is equal to 0, he has traveled 5 meter moving towards the right at 15 meter per second velocity. What will be his position at time t is equal to 2 seconds? For a better understanding, I'm gonna draw it for you guys. So here we have a cyclist who is, according to the question, he is moving towards right. The question also tells that at time t is equal to 0 seconds, the cyclist have covered 5 meter distance, and the question says that what will be his position at 2 seconds. So they are asking for his position after 2 seconds. What we need to do is find the distance that he traveled in 2 seconds and add it in the distance that we already know he has traveled in time 0 seconds, and we will get the position. So making the data for a better understanding, always make a data and writing what we are given with. So we have been given the acceleration, which is 4 meter per second square. We also have the distance that the cyclist traveled in time 0, which is 5 meter, and then we have the initial velocity with which the cyclist is moving, 15 meter per second, and then we need to find the distance of that the cyclist traveled in time 2 seconds. But this is not the question. Keep in mind, the question asks us for the total distance, which we can get by adding the distance that the cyclist traveled in time 0 seconds and the distance he traveled in 2 seconds. So first we have to find the S2, just simply putting second equation of motion, VIT plus half AT square. All the values are given, just putting in the values. Simply VI is 15, time is 2, and then half A is 4, acceleration, time is 2, square, and then we can cancel these. Simply multiplying 15 into 2 is 30, and then square of 2 is 4, and 4 into 2 is 8. So the distance that he traveled in 2 seconds is 38 meter. And then for the final answer, just adding both the distances, 5 plus 38, and we get 43 meter. This is our final answer. Looking at the options, the correct option would be D, delta 43.